Napping is often misunderstood. Some people think naps make you lazy, but science tells a different story. In Sleep Hacks Series Volume 12, we'll uncover how short, strategic naps can boost energy, sharpen focus, and even improve creativity. The science of napping. Napping is far from a sign of laziness. In fact, it's a powerful biological tool that can dramatically improve mental clarity, focus, and mood when used correctly. To truly understand the science of napping, we need to explore what happens in the brain during these short periods of rest, why certain nap lengths are more effective than others, and how naps can complement your nighttime sleep cycle rather than disrupt it. When you take a nap, your brain essentially performs a mini reset. Even short naps of 10 to 20 minutes allow the brain to enter the lighter stages of non-REM sleep. These stages are where the brain begins to process information and clear out mental clutter accumulated throughout the day. Think of a power nap as a system reboot for your mind, clearing temporary caches of data so you can think more clearly and focus better afterward. From a biological standpoint, naps help balance the body's natural sleep-wake drive, which is governed by homeostatic sleep pressure. Throughout the day, a chemical called adenosine builds up in the brain, creating feelings of tiredness. A nap reduces this adenosine load, effectively lowering your sleep pressure and giving you a second wave of energy without the jittery side effects of caffeine. Research has also shown that naps improve learning and memory. When you nap, your hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for forming new memories, offloads short-term information to the neocortex for long-term storage. This is why students, athletes, and creative professionals often use naps strategically to enhance recall and problem-solving abilities. Additionally, naps can reduce stress by lowering cortisol levels and promoting relaxation. Even brief naps have been found to improve emotional regulation, making you less reactive and better equipped to handle challenges. A NASA study on pilots revealed that a 26-minute nap improved performance by 34% and alertness by 54%, underscoring how impactful even short rest periods can be. It's important to note that not all naps are created equal. The benefits of a nap depend heavily on its timing, duration, and your body's current sleep debt. In the next section, we'll break down the ideal nap lengths, whether you want a quick boost of alertness, a memory enhancement session, or a full-cycle recovery nap, and how to schedule them for maximum benefit without interfering with your nighttime sleep. When and how long should you nap? Not all naps are equal. The difference between a nap that leaves you refreshed and one that makes you groggy lies in understanding both the timing and duration. To maximize the benefits of napping, it's crucial to match your nap length to your goals, whether that's a quick mental boost, improved memory retention, or a deeper recovery session. The most common and widely recommended nap length is the power nap, which lasts between 10 and 20 minutes. This short duration is perfect for a rapid energy boost because it keeps you in the lighter stages of non-REM sleep. Waking up during these stages allows you to feel alert and refreshed almost immediately, without entering the deeper phases of sleep that can cause grogginess or sleep inertia. Naps of 30 minutes or longer often lead to that heavy, disoriented feeling when you wake up. This is because you've entered slow-wave sleep, and waking mid-cycle disrupts your brain's restorative processes. However, if you have time for a 60 to 90-minute nap, you can complete a full sleep cycle. A full cycle nap includes light sleep, deep sleep and REM sleep, giving you the benefits of both physical and mental restoration. These longer naps can enhance creativity, problem-solving skills, and memory, but they are best reserved for days when you have extra time, like weekends or recovery days. Timing is just as important as duration. The ideal nap window is usually between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m., when your body's natural circadian rhythm dips, causing a drop in alertness. Napping during this window helps you recharge without interfering with nighttime sleep. Napping too late in the afternoon or evening can push back your bedtime and disrupt your sleep-wake cycle, especially if you're already sensitive to insomnia. For those who work irregular hours or shifts, strategic napping becomes even more valuable. In these cases, shorter naps throughout the day can help maintain alertness and performance without throwing your internal clock completely off balance. It's also helpful to pair your nap with a caffeine nap. This technique involves drinking a small cup of coffee or tea right before your nap. Since caffeine takes about 20 minutes to kick in, you'll wake up just as the stimulant starts working, giving you a powerful combination of natural rest and heightened alertness. Ultimately, the perfect nap length and timing will depend on your schedule, sleep debt, and personal preference. In the next section, we'll explore how to create the perfect nap environment, one that allows you to fall asleep quickly, stay comfortable, and wake up feeling fully recharged. Creating the perfect nap environment. A successful nap is not just about when or how long you sleep. It's also about where and how you set up the environment. The right atmosphere can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep for just the right amount of time, and wake up feeling fully refreshed rather than sluggish. In this part, we'll look at how to optimize lighting, sound, posture, and mental relaxation techniques to create the perfect nap setting. Lighting is one of the most important factors. Bright, artificial light sends a signal to your brain to stay alert, which makes napping difficult. If possible, find a space with dim or natural lighting. Closing blinds or curtains can help mimic the evening light that signals relaxation. If you're napping in a brightly lit office or during the day, an eye mask is a simple but powerful tool. It blocks out light and creates a sense of calm that encourages your body to relax. Sound control is equally crucial. Unexpected noises are one of the biggest nap disruptors. White noise machines, fans, or soft background music can help mask unpredictable sounds and create a steady audio environment. If you're in a noisy setting, noise-canceling headphones or foam earplugs can make a world of difference. Some people even use guided relaxation tracks to combine sound control with mental unwinding. Posture matters more than you might think. A good nap posture is one that supports your neck and spine while keeping you comfortable. If you're napping at home, lying down in a comfortable bed or couch is ideal, but many people don't have that option during the day. In those cases, a reclining chair or even a simple desk nap pillow can work. Travel pillows that support the neck are also great for napping at work or during commutes. Temperature plays a role as well. Your body sleeps best in cooler conditions, ideally between 65 degrees Celsius and 7 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees to 21 degrees Celsius. If the room is too warm, consider a fan or light blanket to regulate body temperature. Mental relaxation techniques can speed up the process of falling asleep. A quick breathing exercise, such as inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8, can help calm the nervous system. Visualization techniques, like picturing a peaceful landscape, can also encourage your mind to release tension. Even a 2-minute body scan, mentally relaxing each part of your body from head to toe, can prepare you for a quick nap. Creating a consistent nap ritual can also train your body to fall asleep faster. For example, putting on an eye mask, using a particular pillow, and starting a white noise track can all act as cues for your body to relax. In the next section, we'll explore how to integrate these napping habits into your daily life, even if you have a busy schedule, so you can reap the benefits of strategic rest without disrupting your productivity. Integrating power naps into a busy lifestyle. For many people, the biggest challenge isn't understanding the benefits of naps. It's finding the time and space to actually take them. In a culture that often glorifies hustle and non-stop productivity, napping can feel like a guilty pleasure or even a sign of weakness. But with the right approach, power naps can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine without interfering with your schedule or nighttime sleep. The first step is to shift your mindset. Viewing naps as a strategic tool rather than a luxury is key. Many high-performing professionals, athletes, and even companies like Google and NASA openly advocate for power naps because they understand that 10 to 20 minutes of rest can significantly boost mental clarity, productivity, and decision-making. Napping isn't a waste of time, it's an investment in your performance. If you have a traditional workday, look for natural downtime to nap. This could be during a lunch break, between meetings, or in the mid-afternoon slump when energy levels dip. Even if you can't fully lie down, resting in a quiet space with an eye mask and noise-canceling headphones can provide enough relaxation to recharge your brain. When working from home, you have more flexibility. Set aside a short 15 to 20 minute window, preferably between 1 and 3 p.m., to take a power nap. Keep a small nap kit ready, an eye mask, travel pillow, and a light blanket, to make it easy to settle down without overthinking it. For frequent travelers, naps can be a lifesaver. On long flights, a 20-minute nap paired with noise-canceling headphones and a supportive neck pillow can drastically improve energy levels upon landing. If you're traveling across time zones, short naps can also help bridge the gap as you adjust to new schedules, reducing the effects of jet lag. In high-demand jobs or intense study schedules, the key is to treat naps as micro-breaks. Just as you schedule meetings, workouts, or focused work sessions, schedule a nap in your calendar. A quick recharge can often make you more productive for the next 4 to 6 hours than pushing through exhaustion. To avoid any stigma around napping, normalize it by being open about its benefits. Some workplaces even provide nap pods or quiet rooms designed specifically for short rest periods. If your environment doesn't offer that, find creative ways to create a nap-friendly corner, like using a parked car during a break or a quiet conference room with the lights dimmed. Finally, be mindful not to overdo it. Too many naps or naps that are too long can disrupt your sleep-wake rhythm. Aim for consistency and quality rather than quantity. A single well-timed nap of 10 to 20 minutes is often more effective than multiple scattered naps that cut into nighttime sleep. By strategically integrating power naps into your lifestyle, you can harness their full benefits without guilt. Whether you're in the office, at home, or traveling, a short, refreshing nap can reset your brain, improve focus, and give you the energy you need to tackle the rest of your day with clarity. If you've ever wondered how to nap like a pro, this series is for you. Share your best nap strategies in the comments and subscribe to the Daily Health Shift for more weekly wellness tips.